Assalamu alaikum. Good morning class 7. This is your science lecture. I am your science teacher. In this lecture we will study unit number 4, living organisms and their environment. First lecture we will read page number 43 to page number 47. Our first topic is ecology. Ecology is a word derived from two words, eco and logi. Eco means environment, logi means study. Ecology is the branch of biology which deal with relationship between living organisms themselves with their surroundings is known as ecology. The scientists who study these interrelationships are called ecologists. Students, there are about 1 million different kinds of animals and more than 350 different kinds of plants on the earth. So these ecologists study different kinds of animal and plants. They study plant and animal which live in a particular place and physical conditions such as light, temperature, water and soil, which affects the life of these organisms. There are two types of environment. Artificial environment. Artificial environment, human creates an environment in which they control factors like as temperature, light, water, minerals to produce ideal living conditions for the organism. Rare species of animal, bird, fish are kept in the zoo and aquarium, while rare plants are kept in greenhouses. Natural environment. Habitat is natural environment in which an animal, plant or any other organism occupies. For example, frog can live on land as well as in water. So frogs are usually seen living near pools, ponds and streams. Ecosystem. Organisms constantly interact with each other with their physical environment in order to obtain nutrition, shelter and to produce. The relationship between living organisms and their environment make up an ecosystem. Ecosystem is made up of all the producer and consumer in communities as well as the physical environment. All the things which affect the way of life of or plant or animal are called environment. Environment में वो तमाम चीज़ें इंक्लूड हैं जो किसी भी प्लांट या किसी भी एनिमल की लाइफ को अफेक्ट करती हैं. Include the physical conditions such as climate, soil, water and other organisms that live in the same place. What is population? Population consists of living things of same type in a particular ecosystem. If we consider a pond or lake as a small ecosystem, the number of same kind of fish found in that pond can be categorized as population. What is community? Community, different population of same ecosystem collectively make a community. Community is collection of all plant, animal found in a particular ecosystem. Taking the example of pond as an ecosystem, all the fish, insects, other animals, plants, water weeds together make community. There is a diagram which shows different relation of individual, population and community ecosystem. Individual, one organism. Population, the total number of organisms of same species. Community, all of population of organism in an ecosystem make community and all of organism and physical condition make ecosystem. Student, there is an activity of remember and understand on page 45. These are fill in the blank. Number 1. The place where plants and animals live is called habitat. Number 2. The physical condition and other organisms which affect the way of life of an organism are called its environment. An environment can be natural or artificial. The number of creatures of same kind living in an environment are called population. Number 5. A group of organisms sharing a habitat is called community. There are two kinds of habitat, simple and complex. Simple, some habitat may be inhabited by a single community of organisms. This type of habitat are called simple. वो habitat जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही community ऑर्गेनिज्म, एक टाइप के ऑर्गेनिज्म रह रहे हैं, उसको हम सिंपल हैबिटेट कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, हनी बी लीव इन बीहाइव वेयर ओनली हनी बीज आर इनहेबिटेड. बीहाइव में सिर्फ हनी बीज रहती हैं, तो दिस इज सिंपल काइंड ऑफ हैबिटेट. कंप्लेक्स हैबिटेट, some habitat may be inhabited by several community in order to survive. This type are called complex habitat. For example, a tree is the habitat for different birds and insects. Different organisms live there and enjoy resources that the tree provides. In complex habitat, we find different kind of organisms living together. There are different kinds of habitats such as woodland, grassland, rivers, coast. These are complex types of habitat. Grassland. Grassland is habitat which have different kind of grasses and wildflowers and hundred of different types of animal and insects. Rainforest. Evergreen trees continuously grow and provide food in constant warm and wet climate of tropical rainforest. A huge variety of animals feed and shelter at all levels, from the forest floor to its canopy. Tropical rainforests contain half of all animal and plant species. They cover only about 10% of Earth's surface. Desert. Desert are very dry and hot and have specially evolved plant and animals that can survive the climate. Deserts are often hot during the day and cold at the night. But there are some variation. The desert is another type of habitat which is very different from other forest habitats. Due to little rainfall, survival of life is difficult in the desert. Desert plants like cactus grow needle-like leaves to avoid water loss in hot sunny days. Oceans. Oceans contain the greatest diversity of life on the earth. सबसे ज़्यादा लाइफ की जो डाइवर्सिटी है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं, वो ओशंस में होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, जेलीफिश, शार्क, whales, sponges and seaweeds live in the sea. The sea provides an environment where all these different organisms can find food, shelter and suitable temperatures. Wetland. Wetlands are area where the water covers the soil or is present either at the near the surface of soil or layer. ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे सॉइल को वाटर ने कवर किया होता है, जहाँ पे कुछ पानी होता है और कुछ ड्राई लैंड होती है, उसको वेटलैंड्स कहते हैं. वेटलैंड्स कवर अबाउट 6% ऑफ अर्थ सरफेस. दे इंक्लूड मार्शेस, स्वैम्प, waterlogged forests and river deltas. Many wetlands contain a large diversity of species, including birds, mammals, reptiles, insects, amphibians, and plants. Swamp. Swamp is a place where plants that make up area covered in water are primarily woody plants or trees. A marsh has no woody plants. The non-woody plants would be grasses, reeds, and sedges. Adaptation. The characteristic feature of an organism which enable it to become suited to its habitat are called adaptation. वो features, वो qualities जो किसी भी organism को किसी खास place पर रहने के लिए ज़रूरी हैं, जो उनको हम adaptation उन features को कहते हैं. Animal and plant are adapted to live in particular natural habitat. For example, a tiger has special teeth for chewing flesh and crushing bones. Hummingbird has long tube-like beak to suck nectar from the flowers. ये वो फीचर्स हैं जो कि उनको फूड, शेल्टर लेने में हेल्पफुल होते हैं. A frog's tongue is sticky for catching insects and a fish has fins to swim in water. A fish जो है पानी में रहती है तो उसके फिन हेल्प करते हैं स्विमिंग के लिए. Students, now your lecture is completed. There is your home task. Do reading from page 43 to page 47, and there is an activity of remember and understand on page 45. Do this activity on your book and learn this activity. Thanks a lot.